Hey guys, what's up? So this is Coach Nikk and today is day 27 and आज हम करने वाले हैं इंटेंस 10 minutes ऑफ कार्डियो सेशन। इसके अंदर अगेन हम 40 सेकेंड्स वर्कआउट करेंगे एंड 20 सेकेंड्स रेस्ट करेंगे। 20 सेकेंड्स के अंदर मैं बताऊंगा नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज क्या है और 5 एक्सरसाइज रहेंगी जो कि हम रिपीट करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। मैं टाइमर ऑन कर देता हूँ। Okay, we are starting in 8 seconds. First exercise is burpee. Everybody loves burpees. Chalo. And burpees is and jump. नीचे बैठेंगे, पैर पीछे लेके जाएंगे, आगे लेके आएंगे and jump. पीछे, आगे and jump. Very good. 26 more. Seven seconds more. 3 and down. Okay. Next exercise is 4 mountain climb and 4 flying jacks. 3, 1, 4 mountain climb, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plank jacks, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, 4. Keep on doing that. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and rest. Very good. Next exercise is crisscross jacks and press. Alright. Crisscross jacks, squat and press, 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 squat and press. पूरा नीचे तक बैठने का है। 2 and let's go. Next is jack fly and press. हम jumping jack जैसे करेंगे। jumping jack जैसे keep on going. Five seconds off.
3, 2, 1.
Rest. Next exercise is 10 steps run and 1 lunges from each leg. 10 steps run and lunges each side. Then again 10 steps run and lunge.
3, 2, 1.
And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lunge and lunge. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lunge and lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lunge. Lunge. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lunge. Come on, guys. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And lunge. Last 7 seconds. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
3, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Rest. And 5 exercise completely. Now we are going to repeat it. And we are going to start from burpees. 1 and let's go. Thirty seconds off. Very good. 20 seconds off. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 10 seconds off. 5 seconds.
3, 2,
And done. Next is 4 mountain climb and 4 line jacks. 5, 3,
2,
1. 4 mountain climb. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 10 seconds. 4, 3, 4. 2, 3, and 4. Oh, very good. Last 3 exercises. Crisscross, jacks and thruster. That is squat and press. 3, 1. Crisscross, thruster. Very good, very good. Keep on going, guys. खत्म होने वाले बस. 5 seconds out.
3, 2, 1.
One more. Very good. Next is jumping jacks and jack press. Last 2 exercises, last 2 minutes.
3, 2, 1.
Very good, very good, very good. Seconds all of us. Keep on going.
3, 2, 1.
And last exercise of the day. That is 10 steps run and 1 lunges. Sorry. 2, 1, and let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lunge and lunge. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lunge and lunge. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Lunge and lunge. Keep on going, guys. Keep on going. रुकना नहीं है अपने को. Last 6 seconds. Give your best. Give your best. Give your best.
3, 2,
And we are done for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. कल मिलते हैं सेम टाइम सेम प्लेस. एंड जो लोग नए हैं वो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें टिंग टिंग टिंग, जिससे नया जो भी वीडियो अपलोड होगा आप लोग को नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा. बाय गाइस, सी यू टुमारो.